हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मानसी टॉकिंग। मैंने सोचा चैनल का नाम लूँगी मैं तो फिर शायद सबको याद रहेगा कि कौन सा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये व्लॉग रात को इसलिए शुरू हो रहा है क्योंकि आज पहला दिन था आफ्टर द लॉन्ग वीकेंड और जैसे एक्सपेक्टेड था इतना कुछ खास लगा नहीं। सुबह अलार्म से उठे, फिर जिम गए, प्लस आई एम ऑन अ वेरी नॉट अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट बट आई एम ईटिंग क्लीन बिकॉज द होल वीक आई एट सो मच। सो आज मैंने कार्ब्स नहीं खाए हैं। यूजुअली आई have some carbs for breakfast, तो आज मैंने वो भी नहीं खाया. And for a lot of us, going back to work after a long weekend is exhausting. But I will tell you the weirdest thing that happened to me today. जो I don't think so मैंने नहीं देखा किसी के साथ हुआ है. उसकी क्लिप मैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्लिप में दिखाऊंगी. अब अगली क्लिप में वो देखोगे कि क्या हुआ. तो मेरी जो पिंकी फिंगर की अंगूठी है वो मेरे बैग के जिप में फंस गई. एंड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 10-15 मिनट्स आई वॉज इन सो मच पेन क्योंकि अंगूठी और उंगली दोनों फंसी हुई थी. ना चेन इधर कर सकते थे ना कुछ, एंड माई फिंगर वॉज लाइक दिस. थैंकफुली कोई रेस्क्यू के लिए आया, वो आप अगले क्लिप में देखोगे. उसके बाद मेरी अंगूठी उसी में फंसी रह गई और बैग की जो जिप है वो तोड़नी पड़ी. सो नाउ फॉर अनदर वीक और 2 मैं एक बैग के साथ हूँ जिसकी जिप नहीं है बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव उतना बड़ा बैग बिकॉज दैट्स माई ऑफिस बैग. सो दैट हैपन्स इन द नेक्स्ट क्लिप, वो आप चेक करो एंड देन वील कंटिन्यू द व्लॉग टुमारो. एंड लेट्स सी कल क्या होता है. एंड जो भी होगा आप यहाँ देखोगे.
Go on.
See what happened? It got stuck here first. Like, it was stuck here and my finger was inside. Then Arjun helped me with some face wash. And now it's stuck here. How is it even possible?
Sad part.
I know, right? Dean. Good start of the new week. I can't wait for the whole week.
Oh my god.
Okay, I buy coffee for someone who removes it.
Stop. Yeah.
Buy
Okay.
coffee from Salkara.
Are you fine with that, Pranav?
Yeah, he likes coffee. There's no milk.
No, as in say Salkara coffee?
So good. So much better than Starbucks, and it's more expensive than Starbucks. Swear, dude, it's $18.50.
Do you know what? I'll just get a new ring.
Wow, what a solution.
Yeah, that's what you have to.
Now, if I
Honestly,
have
how did you achieve this?
I don't know. Look at my finger. See? Thanks for Arjun's face wash. You guys carry face wash and whatever towels and everything to work. Some people might
I've
need
never
it.
seen a guy carry a face.
And that too,
wash.
not even travel size. It's like a full size face wash.
Yeah, because because say if that Anjan like
Wait,
your
wait,
face is very oily.
That's going on the vlog, by the way.
Shit.
Pranav is introducing me to some OG Tamil songs.
Some new and OG.
This is new?
Relatively, it's not latest, but it's very famous. It's by my favorite singer, Anirudh.
Who's Anirudh now?
Anirudh is the singer. Anirudh Ravichandran, music director and.
And it's done. Like I said, trying to lose the weight that I gained Eid weekend पर. Weekend क्या था? Eid week था. So after my weight training, 3 rounds of ropes, थोड़ा बहुत kettlebell, and time for some breakfast, I think so. यहाँ मैंने AC ऑफ रखा हुआ है क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे obviously I'm here to sweat and मुझे बड़ा टाइम लगता है. Takes a lot for me to sweat. Yeah, even दुबई की humidity और गर्मी में. So AC off है so that I sweat a bit. Light is better here. Whew. Workout done. Time to eat some breakfast. So before going to office today, I have to go to the passport office. Now the scene is that my visa renewal is due and उसके साथ साथ my passport is about to expire. The rule is कि आपका passport 6 months valid होना चाहिए to renew your visa. So now before work I have to go to the passport office and there is 700 dirham का फटका सुबह सुबह. Say hi.
No.
Please say hi.
No.
Please say hi. It's a drinking game.
For those of you watching, this is take 2, and in the first take I said hi, but no, not. I'm not gonna say hi at this one.
What a waste. So let's see if I can shoot there. So this is a premium lounge and प्रीमियम लाउंज का फायदा ये है कि 20 मिनट में यू आर डन, यू डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर योर अपॉइंटमेंट और एनीथिंग. इट्स अपॉइंटमेंट दैट्स टेकन इन एडवांस एंड रीच नहीं बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो टू वर्क. आई मीन इट्स ईदर और, या तो मैं सारा दिन में यहाँ पे बैठ जाती या फिर मैं काम पे चले जाऊँ. सो इट्स ईदर और एंड दैट इज द सीन. प्लस फोटोग्राफ्स एंड एवरीथिंग वही लोग लेंगे. So saves me the hassle and he's so sweet. He's taking me there. Hey? So if they allow me to shoot, I'll take you there. Okay, so we just got done with the passport thing. Though it was a premium service, but not so premium experience. It took them 1 hour. Which is okay, right? For,
Bro, this is an Indian government job. It should take them at least 4 to 5 hours even in premium.
but they're taking paisa as if they are US government.
No, that is Indian. That is India.
हाँ, तो अभी पासपोर्ट का काम हो चुका है. होपफुली 5-6 दिन में मेरा पासपोर्ट आ जाएगा, फिर मेरा वीजा लग जाएगा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क एंड
Yeah, अभी you will make new vlog, my new passport.
why do I put my passport on vlog?
No, you will say no. You'll get happy. You'll show be like, oh wow.
What is there to be happy about passport?
You can travel.
Well, she is asking me about 90 pages. I said in 10 years I didn't even finish the 36 pages booklet. What makes you think that I need a 90 pages one? Plus
ले लेती ना manifesting. तू तो बकती रहती है manifest.
what is bhakti and all?
Oh sorry, that's like घर का slang है. बकती मतलब you keep blabbering, right?
ना but
Manifestation and stuff like that.
उसके लिए 100 dirham extra मांग रही थी.
For 90 pages?
Yeah.
हम खुद काट के लगा दें.
We are rushing to work. I am rushing to work. This one is Arbab.
Hey, fuck off. I have a meeting after this.
Yeah, but you're the boss, right? You decide the time. Yes,
No,
sir.
my clients are the boss. They decide the time.
Clients don't cut your salary, na? Then
But trying to get money out of clients is also very hard. Huh?
everything is hard. To make money is so hard. अगर मेरे पास पैसा होता तो मैं अभी तत्काल में पासपोर्ट बनवाती थी. Why is my phone
क्या
fade
सपने हैं
up?
तेरे?
हाँ?
पैसे होते तो तत्काल में पासपोर्ट बना लेते. ऐसे नहीं कि वेकेशन पे चलो. नहीं. मेरे सपने हैं कि earn $1 million and then make तत्काल passport.
Bro, those are cheap thrills, man.
जी.
I don't care. Take $1,000 and make tatkal and no police verification or
This is
whatsoever.
what I like about us Indians. पैसा कमा लो लेकिन mentality हमेशा middle class की रहती है. Yes, I'm making fun of the middle class.
I am middle class.
Even I am middle class.
You are upper middle class.
No, I am middle
That's why I hang out with you.
What?
Aspiration ना अपने से ज्यादा पैसे वाले लोगों के साथ घूमो तो आपके पास ही पैसा आता है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा ही होता है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
सच्ची ऐसी होता है. My hair color looks so nice.
Yeah, that's very nice.
It's fading now.
That's the only reason she started the vlogs. Just so that she could make videos and see herself without looking like an insane person.
What do you mean insane person? I always look nice, even
No,
without
I'm
vlogs.
saying that you can take videos of yourself, put it online, and then keep looking at yourself, and then, just justify that. अरे मैं तो अपना vlog ही देख रही हूँ.
हाँ, वो तो कहते हैं.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying.
Today we have Roman Khan coming. If you are a TikTok fan, I'm sure आपको पता होगा Roman Khan कौन है.
Yeah, me love.
Kamal is a fan.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I only watch it for the cringe.
Okay, we can't say that to him, but he's coming to the studio, and I think so. This video is coming later. Okay, phone आ गया.
Roman, I only watch it for the cringe.
Road rash. मेरा ट्राइपॉड टेढ़ा हो गया है.
नहीं मान सकता, तू टेढ़ी है.
Just because मैं इसको शूट कर रही हूँ, देखो फनी साउंड करना है इसलिए बोल रहा है ना.
You decide whether you want me to say hi in every video or you want me to actually be normal in every video.
This is not normal. This is you're trying to act funny.
How? I'm always making fun of you. है कि नहीं?
No.
Then
What?
what am I doing?
Bro, मेरे बाल देख कैसे हो रहे हैं.
क्यों? अच्छे ही तो.
ऐसे एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं सोकर उठ के. अच्छा है. They asked me to tie my hair.
Isn't that the look though?
Messy look. This is the shirt that I got from Noon for
Good shirt.
20 dirham. Cheap thrills.
Bro, fuck that. Noon food 50% off.
Why are we promoting all this? हमें 1 रुपए का कोई सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं कर रहा है और कोई पैसा भी नहीं दे रहा है.
अरे You have 41 subscribers. That's pretty good. तेरे
42.
42?
Yeah.
Nice. पहले तेरे 10 थे. अब सोच 41.
Inshallah, by the end of this year, 10,000. Okay. अभी इसको गाड़ी चलाने दो. I have to go to office. See who passed. What did you do?
What did I do? I just on my way I was like looking on YouTube, how to get the thing done properly, even though I know how to do, but still.
We are talking about parking test here.
Okay, because I know, as in, if I fail,
Huh?
Anjan will on air very nicely roast me. Okay?
So you passed because of that?
No. Plus, my friends were like, if you fail, we are sending mafia behind you. So I was like,
What was your reaction when he told you, okay, yalla, you're passed?
I was like,
Really?
now I wasn't like saying, I was like, finally, the step is over.
So now you get a license?
No, I have to do my highway classes, and then I need to go for a final RTA test. After that, I get my license.
What is a fun RTA test?
Final RTA?
Okay, I
test.
thought fun.
Final means a guy will be sitting inside the car with me, and then he will be telling, oh, take left, take right, take straight, like that. In that one also I need to pass. If
But
I
you
pass
got
it-
some sweets or something? You passed your parking test after
Dude,
how many
I'm
attempts?
coming straight away from the driving school, and this is not big pass. I told him after getting license, I'll give you like a big treat.
Why are you wasting my vlog time if this is not big pass?
You only did know. Why are you asking me?
Today we have TikTok influencer coming up. Are you excited?
I don't know who that guy is, so
This is also going on vlog. I renewed my passport.
that's a good thing.
Yeah. What kind of perfume is that?
What perfume? It's not
Oh.
perfume, it's juice.
Ah, okay. I thought it's perfume. You're drinking perfume?
Lemon and mint.
Yeah.
I think this as my house for 1 minute.
So you wash all the bartan?
Yeah.
Such a nice boy.
think
I tied my
that's kind of
hair.
a thing in our house. We must
I tied
wash
my
it.
hair. It's looking nice, no?
It looks fine. I'm not saying nice. It looks fine.
What the fuck is fine?
It looks okay.
So like open hair is better?
Yeah. As in,
Such a waste.
such a
Say yes or no. Which is better, open or like tight?
Both are equally good.
So both are fine. Nothing
Yeah.
is good.
I don't say nothing is bad or nothing is excellent. But like, yeah, a different look. See, I'm in different look today. I'm in shorts.
You came in shorts the other day also.
Yeah, but still, I'm again on shorts.
Are you wearing the same shorts?
Yeah.
You. Did you wash?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
Now I'm
do
going to
you
eat lunch now.
Censor and be like, oh, fuck you, and then clear the test.
He's just passed and he's saying fuck you and all. We'll
No,
see
it's
next
like
test.
I've told fuck you to the censor.
Censor or the center guy?
Censor.
Okay. I'm eating lunch. That is Roman Khan, by the way. We've been talking about him on the vlog. He has over 4 million followers on TikTok, guys. Why am I promoting him? I need those followers here. Subscribe. So I just got home and मैंने थोड़ा सा change भी नहीं किया. I just got into my pajamas. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat some dinner now, जो मैं सुबह ही बना कर गई थी. So let me show you what's for dinner tonight. So this is a beetroot salad that I love when I make. ये बहुत easy है. बीटरूट के साथ थोड़ा सा बस तड़का लगाना है ऑफ करी लीव्स एंड राई. ये जो चना है ये सुबह मैंने जो खाया था उसका लेफ्ट ओवर चना था, तो आई थॉट आई मिक्स. आई डोंट थिंक सो मैं इसको गर्म करके खाऊंगी बिकॉज इट्स टू हॉट. तो मैं इसको ऐसे ही खाने वाली हूँ. तो अब खाना वाना खा के मैं थोड़ी देर टीवी देखूंगी एंड फाइनली मिड वीक आ चुका है. वीकेंड आने वाला है. इस वीकेंड आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मेरा चीट डे है नहीं. लाइक आई मेंशन कि जो ईद वीकेंड पे इतनी सारी बिरयानी बर्गर्स एंड पिज्जास खाए थे, इट्स टाइम कि थोड़ा सा डाइट पे जाऊँ. सो नॉट चीटिंग ओवर द वीकेंड. मैक्सिमम व्हाट आई डू इज हैव वन इडली. दैट टू आई एम नॉट श्योर. वीकेंड्स आर वेरी टफ क्योंकि अगर वीकेंड्स पे आप सारा दिन घर पे रहते हो तो बार बार भूख लगती है. सो लेट्स सी वीकेंड पे क्या होता है. बट फिलहाल इस व्लॉग को मैं यहीं एंड करती हूँ. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस व्लॉग एंड इफ यू डिड प्लीज मेक श्योर Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Mansi Talking. We are 42 subscribers now, and fingers crossed by the end of this year, 10,000 is my target. अगर उससे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to say hi to me on my Instagram, Mansi Talking. It is. I'll link it here. Till then, take care. I'll see you over the weekend now, and keep talking and keep liking and sharing. Yalla, bye.